guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cute little drag queen pop star look. It's going to be very like Ariana Grande inspired. I got my little cute little pony. It's very drag queeny. Is that a word, drag queeny? It's draggy. I've got the big liner, I've got the big eyebrows, I've got all that. So if you're into that whole little pop star moment, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly block my eyebrows out and cover it all with foundation. Just like I did it in my other video, so if you've seen those, just go back to those to see how I do this step. I'm just going to go ahead and do that and I will be right back. So moving right along, now that we have all of our foundation on our forehead, we can go ahead and draw in our eyebrows. So my look for today has blue hair, so I'm going to be doing sort of like bluey purple eyebrows. So I'm going to be taking the shade Abused by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and his Velour liquid lipsticks, and I'm just going to go ahead and freehand draw on some new eyebrows in a much higher arched shape. Alright, so now that I've got my eyebrows on there, as you can kind of see, they're kind of like sloppy and there's a few mistakes here and there. So what I need to do is just clean that up with some concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a thin angled brush and just tightly go along the bottom edge of the eyebrow just to sharpen it up just a little bit more. Alright, so now that we have our eyebrows nice and set, everything is nice and set up on top of our face, so we can go ahead and move on to our eyeshadow. So for today's look, I'm doing a really deep smoky eye, so it's going to go from a deep black on the lid to a faded out blue purpley sort of color. So as a transition shade, I'm just going to be using Dolly Pop by Sugar Pill Cosmetics just to act as a transition from the black to the blue and to like this stark like bright white. Now that we have the pink nice and blended out, we can take Velocity by Sugar Pill Cosmetics and just buff that into the crease and blend outward. Alright, so now that we have the blue nice and blended in with the pink, I'm just going to go ahead and buff that pink a little bit more, but I'm going to be using Star Power by Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer Palette. Alright, so now that we have the nice blue to pink sort of purple moment we have going on right now, we're going to go ahead and blacken the entire lid. So I'm just going to be taking Weirdo by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and I'm just going to put that right on the center of the lid and blend it outward. Alright, so now that we have this nice and blacked out, we can go ahead and set that with some black eyeshadow. Alright, so now that we have that nice and blended out, we can go ahead and work on some eyeliner. So we're basically just going to go taking our eyeliner from the inner corner of our eye out to the tail of our eyebrow. Alright, and just taking our black eyeliner, we are going to continue that line going down this way. Alright, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and put some white liner above the eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking the NYX white liquid liner and I'm just going to go ahead and draw that right above our eyeliner that we just drew. Alright, so now that we have our whole forehead area nice and mapped out and finished, we can go ahead and start on the lower half of our face. So taking our foundation again, I'm just going to go ahead and draw my foundation going all over the bottom half of my face. Alright, so I'm just going to speed through my contour. If you guys want to see how I contour, just go to one of my earlier videos and you'll see exactly how I do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this process. Next, we're going to start working on the underside of our eye again. So I'm going to be taking Dolly Pop again, and I'm just going to really smoke out that under eye. We're going to go ahead and take our blue again. And again, taking our pink, we're just going to blend that out. So now that that is nice and blended out, we can go ahead and take our eyeliner and start going right along the waterline. And extending the inner corner, we are just going to drop it down a bit. And we're just going to go ahead and connect it from this point right here to here, leaving a space in between. And taking our liquid white liner from NYX again, and we're just going to go ahead and fill in that corner. Alright, so moving right along, we're going to go ahead and start working on our lips. So I want to do a purple to pink ombre lip. So I'm going to be doing I'm Royalty by Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the outside of my lips, and then on the inside I'm going to be doing Backstage Bambi from Kat Von D. Taking my trusty Sharpie, I'm just going to go ahead and draw on my moles. Moving right along, we're going to start with our lashes. I'm taking the style Porcelain by Sugar Pill, and I'm going to use them for my bottom lashes. And for my top lashes, I'm going to be using my regular 301s. So I'm going to go ahead and do some last finishing touches, and that would be my highlight. So today I'm going to be using Ice Cold by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm just going to pop that on the high points of my cheek. Alright, so I'm just going to go spray my face with some setting spray, put my wig on and my costume, and then I will be back with the completed look. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? How is she though? She's an intergalactic pop diva. She's a woman. So that's it for this video. If you guys like this look, leave a little comment down below. And if you haven't already, just smash that little subscribe button and hit that little bell if you guys want to see more content from me. And if you guys do have any sort of requests, just leave a little comment down below. I'm always lurking, I'm always reading the comments. So I love you guys so much. And until the next video, I will have to say goodbye. Bye guys. She's a woman.